Welcome to my kitchen, and say hello to Snickerdoodle Sunday. The Snickerdoodles we'll be baking today aren't your traditional biscuit. No. These are a hybrid between the best two C words, cookies and cake. Yes please. Get a cookie that can do both. A cookie that can do both? Sugar Bubella, where do we begin? Start by adding the room temperature butter to the bowl. Then add the special ingredient, sour cream. Secret? Well, traditional Snickerdoodles have cream of tartar. I didn't have any, so I had to play little Iron Chef. And that's how these cake cookies came to be. Next, add an egg and the sugar, and maple syrup and vanilla for that ooh so good cinnamon bun sugar cookie flavor. Now it's time to mix all those ingredients up until smooth. Lastly, we'll add the flour, baking soda, and salt. Mix with a spatula until you get a nice uniform batter. Before you know it, it's time to chill. Refrigerate the dough for at least 30 minutes to overnight to let the gluten loosen up and to intensify the flavor. Time to get this dough into shape. Take about 2 tablespoons of the dough, roll into a ball, plop into the cinnamon and sugar mixture, covering all sides of the ball. Whoa, a Timbit! Then repeat for the remaining dough. After rolling with these homies, I got a baker's dozen, so these guys will have to wait their turn. In the oven we go! Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. I love them! They look like cinnamon pillowy puffs. Now these are elevated Snickerdoodles, but if you prefer a flatter cookie, just cook them for less time. But come on, why mess with perfection? Well, there you have it, your cinnamon bun, cookie, cake, Snickerdoodle cookies. Also, I was too excited to eat the cookie that I just walked off camera and forgot to film the inside. So leave a comment below or message me on Insta if you would like me to do a cookie montage, cookie opening of this delicious Snickerdoodle cookie. Okay, enjoy baking.